Dishwasher's making some noise, has a sulfur smell. Just kidding, it's the pump. This is not that video, alright? This is... It doesn't spray water. So... let's go check out this circulation pump, guys. Alright? I unplugged it. Now I'm going to take out these two screws again. And I'm going to shimmy this guy out to look under there and get to those internals. Let's see how this dishwasher works. Alright, open the door. Gonna remove these two Phillips heads. Now we need to unscrew this drain hose. It's nasty. Gotta get that screw and just pull that off. Alright, I shimmied it off. Came right out. Drip some little present from my dishwasher. Put on some gloves. It's a little sharp. And just shimmy it out. Come on, baby. Try not to bend the door or touch anything electronic down here. Ow, that shocked me. Alright. Apparently unplugging it isn't good enough to stop the electricity from shocking you. Luckily I had some gloves so it dampened the blow, but I definitely felt some tingles in my fingers. So let's go to the circuit breaker. As you can see, all the grates have their circuit boards completely unlabeled. So I have no idea which one is my dishwasher. So, let's just shut off the power to the whole house. How do you like that electric bill? Alright guys, power's out. Let's get this dishwasher out, shall we? Let me just place this here. Come on, baby. Come on. Damn it. Everyone's watching. Come on! Get out! Come on, baby! Get out! God. Oh, yeah, baby! Oh, yes! Come on out, girl! Oh. Keep coming! You can do it! Push! 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 Oh, I think it's a cord or something. Come on! What? What? What's wrong now? What is it? Tell me! What is the deal? What else could be doing? Huh. It's the water line. It's the water line that's now leaking on the floor. Oh, Jesus. Alright, yeah, I gotta close something. Fast! We got a leak coming to the camera. Shit. Alright. It's leaking, guys. Tighten up, son. Alright, don't forget that step. Alright, don't forget to close that guy. The guy that's connected. The freaking water line, you idiot. Ah! I was like yanking it out of the wall. Oh, I hope I didn't mess that up. This guy right here. Alright. Disconnect that. How could I forget that step? Well, I need to disconnect the water line. If I would have watched my own video like I should have. I got too cocky, guys. I just realized that I'm doing the most dangerous job with the power back on. But it was getting hot in here, guys. I don't want my ice cream to spoil. God, so stupid. Water line. Who needs a water line when a dishwasher anyways, you know? Anyway, I'm using a forged 5/8 wrench to get off the water line of my dishwasher, my Frigidaire. I'm surprised the Frigidaire Frenchies use the inch system, huh? What do you call it? English units? Whatever. I'm not giving English. There it is. Alright. Damn. Okay. I didn't break it. Good. Let's try and pull it out now. I feel like I need to turn the power off. Yeah. Alright. Screw it. It's hot. Oh, it's so easy now. Oh, man. Guess I can't pull copper wire out of the wall. We need to work out more. Where's all the stuff? Oh, it's on the bottom. Alright, yeah. I've definitely gotten worse at this over time. Let's bend her over, shall we? Oh, that sounds good. Ooh, full of water. Really smart. Alright. Yeah. Nothing like a bunch of electronics surrounded by water. I'm going back to the circuit breaker. Got it. Babble, babble, toil and trouble. Let us see what the dishwasher be. Ah, Frigidaire! A roach hotel with a little entrance hole. I haven't seen that before. Frigidaire dishwashers. Mwah! Built to perfection. Nothing like a cord in the water. Ooh. Alright. Cleaned up most of the mess. Circulation pump. I don't know if you can see it. Circulation pump. Drainage pump. Junction box. Heating coils. I can touch everything because the power's off. Water line. That's mainly it, I guess. So I want to look at this guy because he ain't working. So I'm guessing I have to take off these guys with that fancy star screwdriver and torque whatever, and I'll do that. Looks like it's a T20. T20 for the circulation pump screws. Two screws. I'm gonna pull this mounting bracket on. Power's back on. It's getting hot. Now that I'm down to the electronics, I figured I'd turn the power back on. It's not coming out, guys. Oh, there it goes. All right, mounting bracket off. All right, no shocks. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna put this other glove on. Okay, taking out the circulation motor. Heard we gotta jiggle it. We gotta jiggle it, guys. Motor is out. Look at that. Ain't she a beaut? Ain't she a beaut? Look at this circulation motor. Taking the screw off. Screw it. Screw is out. Screw's out. Now there's this little pinchy thing. Hey, this wants a little pinch. This wants a little pinch. Just gotta give it a little pinch. Whoa, got it. Okay. You pinch it, and then you pull this off. Whoa, we're cooking now. Alright, that's the inside of this part. Does it rotate? Yes, but it takes some giving. So, I'm going to get a pocket knife and get this hair out of here. We eat a lot of hair in our family. It's high in fiber and protein. So, I'm going to get the hair out. It's getting real technical here, guys. I take the pocket knife, I lower the hair, and then I remove it. Around the sharp blades with my bare fingers, ever so slightly. Fucking A, just get off. Better put on my gloves. Maybe scissors? Hi, welcome to Capo Java's Barbershop. Just a little off the top. Just a little off the top. Oh, how about this weather, huh? How's that sports team doing? Oh, you have such thick hair. Ooh, that's a good color for you. That'll be $20 plus tip. Hopefully it works because I didn't order a replacement pump, and electronics are clearly my strong suit. So, hey, I've done a sprinkler system, you know? It's currently not working. Alright, what else we got in here? We got some gunk. We got some of this around the seal. That can't be right. Let's get that out. Thank you for joining me. It gets a little lonely here in Houston. Nobody likes me. Now, runs like a dream. Runs like a dream. Apparently there's a way to juice it up and test it. Let's fire it up. Safe. Whoa, guys, discovery. You can just pop this back off and the motor, okay, you turn it from here. This turns completely I need my candle. As you can see, electronics look a little burnt. I mean, it looks yeah, it looks like something doesn't look right here, guys. It looks a little black and burnt so it may not be the haircut. Which is bad news. Means we gotta buy a new part. Cheap versus lazy. Put it all back and see if it works, or just order the new part. Let's see how much this bad boy costs. Let's see. Frigidaire circulation pump. Amazon. That looks like it. $100. Okay, snap this back in place. Make sure that little pin goes in that hole. And then, so I'm gonna put the back cover on. Messy. On. Put this guy on, screw it in. Yeah. We have to bang the motor just in case, just for good luck. Whoa. Alright, let's go. Hey, Mr. Metal Bracket, were you right here? Was it right here? Where were you, metal bracket? Just a sharp metal rusted bracket. I don't want to put on my gloves though. I'm just gonna try and force it in. Alright guys, I think I found the problem. We have to turn the motor this way so that the bracket fits in this slot. So that is how it's done. Okay. Maybe worth it to add some Teflon tape back onto this water connection. Hopefully this is not all a waste. And our little haircut technique worked. I'll cut. Before we do this, there's just something I gotta say. We're in this together. Thank you for watching. Let's see what happens. I hope we learned what to do, what not to do. I hope your dishwasher works. Hope you get to the bottom of it. Let's do it. Is anything leaking? No leaks. Fills up with water. Now once it's done filling up, we need that circulation pump to start. It needs to spray water in there. So we'll see if our trick did it or if I'm gonna spend $100. Fill up already. Oh, it's leaking. Shit. Fuck. That sounds like I screwed up the drain. What is leaking right there? Damn it. I don't know what that meant, but it's lunchtime. Job well done. So it looks like the pump came out of the dishwasher. So I need to see what screw. Oh, I didn't slide it in this little thing. How could I forget to slide the bracket into there? Alright guys, it's back in. I put the bracket back on the right way. Let's see if it holds up. It's been a ride. It's been a ride. Let's see if we got it. Spraying something. I think it's working. I think the dishwasher's working.
Well, that was